Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of gorillas and humans. Today, we'll explore the unique traits and commonalities between these two incredible species. From their impressive physical prowess to their intricate social structures and remarkable intelligence, both gorillas and humans have carved their own niches in the grand tapestry of life. Join us as we journey into the heart of their worlds, comparing their strengths, delving into their DNA, and uncovering the surprising parallels in their behaviors and cognitive abilities.
The dense rainforests of Central Africa echo with the resounding thumps of chests pounded by silverback gorillas, a display of raw power that sends shivers down the spines of even the bravest creatures. These majestic animals, with their imposing size and incredible strength, have captivated our imaginations. Humans, while lacking the sheer physical power of a gorilla, have developed their own unique forms of strength. Our bipedal stance frees our hands for intricate tasks and tool use.
In the intricate dance of life, where genes intertwine and traits are passed down through generations, humans and gorillas find themselves bound by an invisible thread of shared ancestry. Astonishingly, humans and gorillas share approximately 98% of their DNA, a testament to our close evolutionary relationship. This remarkable similarity is evident in many aspects of our biology, from the structure of our bones and muscles to the complex workings of our nervous systems. This shared genetic heritage points to a common ancestor, a primate that roamed the Earth millions of years ago, whose descendants would eventually diverge along separate evolutionary paths. Understanding these genetic distinctions is crucial for unraveling the mysteries of our evolutionary past and shedding light on the biological mechanisms that make us uniquely human and gorillas uniquely gorilla.
The lush rainforests of Africa reverberate with the calls of gorillas, a symphony of grunts, barks, and hoots that paint a vivid picture of their complex social lives. At the heart of gorilla society lies the silverback, the dominant male who leads and protects his troop, much like a patriarch in a human family. Similarly, human societies are built on intricate networks of relationships, hierarchies, and communication. Just as a raised eyebrow or a knowing glance can speak volumes in human interaction, gorillas rely on subtle cues, such as a stare or a pursed lip, to convey meaning and maintain social harmony within their groups. The parallels in our social structures highlight the fundamental importance of communication and cooperation for the survival and success of both gorillas and humans.
Beneath the placid gaze of a gorilla lies a mind capable of remarkable feats of intelligence. Long dismissed as simple creatures driven by instinct, gorillas are now recognized as possessing cognitive abilities that rival those of many primates, including, in some ways, our own. Studies have shown that gorillas are adept problem solvers, capable of devising ingenious solutions to challenges presented to them. For instance, a gorilla might use a stick to fish for termites in a mound, or construct a makeshift bridge to cross a muddy patch. Some gorillas have even learned to communicate using sign language, expressing their thoughts and emotions with a vocabulary of hundreds of words. The intelligence of gorillas challenges our assumptions about the nature of animal minds and reminds us that the capacity for thought and problem solving is not unique to humans.
Millions of years ago, in Africa's verdant forests, the evolutionary paths of gorillas and humans diverged. From a common ancestor, two distinct lineages emerged. Gorillas became masters of their arboreal domain. Humans ventured onto the savannas, freeing hands for tools and expanding brains. Our shared ancestry is evident in our anatomy and behavior. Similar hands point to a common ancestor with dexterity. Our evolutionary journeys highlight natural selection's power.
For centuries, gorillas have captivated the human imagination, their imposing presence and enigmatic nature inspiring both awe and fear. From ancient folklore to modern cinema, their image has been woven into our stories, reflecting our evolving perceptions of these magnificent creatures. Early encounters often portrayed gorillas as ferocious beasts, their strength and power exaggerated to fuel tales of monstrous encounters. However, as scientific understanding grew, so too did our appreciation for their intelligence, social complexity, and vulnerability. Today, gorillas play a crucial role in scientific research, their biology and behavior providing valuable insights into our own evolutionary history. They are also flagship species for conservation efforts, their plight highlighting the urgent need to protect endangered species and their habitats. Habitat destruction, poaching, and the illegal pet trade continue to threaten their survival. As we continue to learn more about gorillas, we must also grapple with the ethical responsibilities that come with this knowledge.
In the intricate web of life, where species are interconnected in countless ways, the health of one species can have profound implications for the well-being of others. The close evolutionary relationship between our two species means that we share many physiological similarities, including vulnerabilities to certain viruses and pathogens. Diseases like Ebola, respiratory infections, and even some forms of cancer can afflict both gorillas and humans, highlighting our shared fragility in the face of microscopic threats. This shared susceptibility has significant implications for both gorilla conservation and human health. Outbreaks of diseases like Ebola have devastated gorilla populations, underscoring the need for robust wildlife monitoring and healthcare programs to protect these vulnerable animals. By understanding how gorillas' immune systems respond to certain pathogens, researchers can gain valuable knowledge that can inform the development of new vaccines and treatments for human diseases.
Throughout history, gorillas have held a prominent place in human storytelling, their image often shrouded in myth, mystery, and a touch of fear. From ancient folklore to Hollywood blockbusters, their portrayal has reflected our evolving understanding of these powerful yet enigmatic creatures. In some cultures, gorillas were seen as monstrous beasts, their strength and size exaggerated to fuel tales of terrifying encounters in the wild. These stories often served as cautionary tales, reminding people of the untamed wilderness and the potential dangers lurking within. Deanne Fossey's groundbreaking research helped to dispel many myths about gorillas, revealing them to be intelligent social animals capable of deep emotions and complex communication. Today, gorillas are often cast as gentle giants, their strength tempered by wisdom and their presence a symbol of the wild beauty that needs our protection. As we continue to tell their story, we must strive for accuracy, respect, and a deep appreciation for the vital role they play in the web of life.
The lush rainforests of Central Africa, once a seemingly impenetrable fortress for gorillas, are now under increasing threat from human activities. Deforestation, driven by logging, mining, and agricultural expansion, is shrinking their habitat at an alarming rate. As forests disappear, so too do the gorillas that rely on them for survival. Loss of habitat not only reduces the availability of food and shelter, but also increases the risk of human-wildlife conflict, as gorillas are forced to forage closer to human settlements. Poaching poses another grave threat to gorilla populations. Driven by the illegal trade in bushmeat and exotic pets, poachers target gorillas, decimating their numbers and disrupting their social structures. Despite these challenges, there is hope for gorillas. Anti-poaching patrols, community conservation initiatives, and sustainable development projects are making a real difference.
The ability to learn and adapt is a hallmark of intelligence, shared by both gorillas and humans. Both species demonstrate remarkable skills and problem-solving abilities. Gorillas learn by observing elders and experimenting with tools. Humans use complex language and abstract thought for learning. Education and technology help us build on past discoveries. Gorillas use sign language. Humans train animals for various tasks. Recognizing intelligence in both species fosters beneficial learning environments.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating comparisons between gorillas and humans. From their impressive physical adaptations to their complex social structures and remarkable cognitive abilities, both species offer a glimpse into the incredible diversity of life on Earth. As we've seen, gorillas and humans share a surprisingly close evolutionary relationship, our DNA whispering tales of a common ancestor and our shared history etched in our biology and behavior. This kinship underscores the importance of understanding and protecting these magnificent creatures, for their fate is inextricably linked to our own. Stay curious and keep exploring.